Hi guys, today we're going to be working on the blue sound basket. So that means that if you're here, then you finished your orange sounds. Congratulations. Okay, and there are 5 letters in our blue sound basket. And I'm going to show you what they are first, and you can watch my mouth if you'd like. I've written them on pieces of paper, so if you want to do it at home and you don't have fancy school materials, you can just write it yourself. So we're going to start with L. This is ooh. You put your tongue in the front of your mouth and say ooh, like lollipop. Okay? Then we have k, 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 as in key, key. Then we have v, v. You put your teeth on your bottom lip and say v, like violin. Then, here's a tricky one. This is ks, ks. And actually, fun fact, no word starts with the sound ks. So the objects that we have today will have ks at the end, not at the beginning. And then finally we have eh, eh. Not to be confused with a or it. It's eh, like elephant and egg. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put these down here, and I have my basket full of objects, and I'm going to go through each one. So first I have an elephant. Elephant. That starts with elephant. Then I have a Lego. Lego starts with L. L is here. Lego. Do you know what this is? It's a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope starts with k, k. Then let's see what else we have. Oh, look at this. A Valentine. Valentine starts with V. Valentine. Then we have a lock. A lock. The key can go in. Lock goes over here with ooh. Ooh. Now here is a box. Box. Remember we said that no word starts with x, so this has x at the end. You can hear it. Box. Box. Then we have a violin. Violin starts with v. Right here by Valentine. Then here is a teeny tiny kangaroo. Kangaroo. K. This starts with k. Then this is a crayon, but a crayon's actually made out of wax. Wax. So this is wax. X. And finally, we have a little egg. Egg. Over here. Egg. Egg. Okay, so let's start over here. We have L for Lego and lock. K. Kaleidoscope. Kangaroo. V. Valentine. Violin. X. Box. Wax. And elephant. Egg. All right, great job, guys. You did a really good job on your blue sound basket. And if you've completed this, then you've completed all the sound baskets. Way to go. All right, thanks so much for coming and learning with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.